to make my husband sleep on the couch because his snoring has been out of hand, but these earplugs, life-changing. And I know so many of you can relate because that snoring is so ridiculous. You just chuck these bad boys in and now the world sounds better. And the good thing about these is that they don't completely block out the noise, they just like soften the sound. So it's perfect because I have kids, so I need to still be able to hear, but I can't be sleeping if my husband's snoring like a crazy person. And they're perfect for everyday use because I'm half Hispanic, so my family's loud anyway, so I'll just be chucking these in all day long. It also comes with this little case filled with all the little extra earpieces. Whenever I'm not using them, I just keep the earplugs in here. So if you're on the verge of losing it with your husband, just get yourself some earplugs and you'll be able to sleep.